today let's test the remote control we use daily. I found an old antique remote control. I think the remote control can last a long time once the battery is changed. So what is its actual power consumption? When I turn it on, I see that the standby current is less than 2 microamps, which is still very small. Just select a few buttons and press them to see how the current changes. Because the current changes gears too quickly, it gave me the illusion that there were more than 900 man when I first looked at it. It means that you have to use software to look at the waveform, which will be more accurate. At the same time, it seems to me that the current changes of this remote control are similar no matter which button is pressed. Anyway, I can't see the difference with the naked eye. Start the software. Standby current is about 1.7, 1.8 microamps, which is not a big problem. The key current changes. The maximum value is about 260 mil, which seems to be quite different from the naked eye observation. Finally, the current waveforms of different keys are basically the same. And the problem is not big. So does this remote control save power?